welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing good, had a good Thanksgiving. Let's try to get headers put on Nolan's car today. Want to give a huge shout out to Carter and his dad for allowing us to borrow the lift.
You've been behind this?
I have.
That's what they were talking about.
Yeah.
He jumped it a few
He was testing the mag ride is what
We
he
took it
said.
to the sand dunes. Yeah. I got the sand tires in the back. Let me get in there.
Now you can say you did something.
Really?
Like, yeah, I put my headers on me.
No help. I slapped the tubes on.
There you go.
Did something.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's loose now. Loosey goosey. All right, Nolan, I'm gonna give you the honors. You see this little hook clip?
Yeah.
It's gonna swing down, so this whole piece is gonna drop like that, so like a trap door. In order for you to get it down and out, you have to drop it, angle it, and then it goes up the little backside, and then you just slide it out. There you go.
Trap door.
Copy, copy. Almost. You gotta go a little forward. Angle it. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. You dropped your K member. Well, it's time to go home.
We've done our due diligence.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.
You're like, all right, buddy.
Son of a bitch. Okay, let's lower it a little bit.
Okay, he got it. He got it. There we go.
There you go.
You gotta break it forward, then back. I'm thinking logic that I use on the trains.
Give me the impact.
The big one.
This will twist the car in half.
Oh, they're fine. They actually, yeah, I was gonna say they feel really good right now. My hands are cold. Gosh, having so many eyes on me. It's already loose. It's just.
This is where wifey comes in. See? Get you a wifey that can get small hands in there, or has the patience to flip the wrench 15 times back and forth. Dude, I'd be so pissed. I'd be like, this ain't going. Throw the tools.
This
I'm
car
like,
would be upside down.
yeah. All right, what do you think? Did you get it?
No. No, I didn't. Oh, my eyes.
I think you got something in his.
Did you get something in your eye?
Just dirt.
Be careful, man.
He's the only one wearing eye safety.
Yeah, literally.
We just got safety squints.
What's funny? I want to see what's funny.
I just noticed he had the glasses on top of the glasses. I was like, what are y'all?
Yeah,
He's like, dude, this is serious, man. He's like,
Seriously, dude.
it's not laughing matter.
Oh, sweet Mother Mary Joseph, I got it. Sort of.
Sort of. What does that mean?
No, did you get it?
I got it looser.
Looser. Well, I got the O2 sensor out for this one, so.
Thanks, baby. You're so sweet.
Get Carter's prostate exam in the process.
Is that with the deductible or no deductible?
Is that insurance, right?
What's the copay?
Y'all want to try something, or do y'all want to do it by hand?
No, let's try it.
Cause this ain't got enough. Ain't got enough torque and ladies. So
Shit.
So that's
Safety
why you do
squints.
Safety first, baby.
I got an idea. Just
I said we.
let me cook. Let me cook.
Let me hear it.
Let me cook.
Brings out a giant torch.
Yeah.
All right. Who's ready to try it again?
One eternity later.
Oh. Shit. Damn it, Nolan.
Oh fuck.
Let me take a gander. Is she loose, or is she just... Oh, yeah, she loose. My thumb felt great going into that nut.
What nut?
This one?
Back up. Oh, guys, you know.
Your combobulator's loose.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
All right.
Doesn't have much suspension.
Enough playing around.
Dude, this thing turns on a dime.
It does. I like how you got training wheels in the front for you to tip it over.
Right?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Pardon.
Sir,
Sir.
this is employee
out,
this is
boys.
employee access only. No customers allowed.
Straighten up a little bit. Luber.
You gotta lube it up. Why didn't you say that 10 minutes ago? She's like, I thought you knew. Come on, Bessie. Or not.
I just had no leverage.
Watch out.
Just start hanging from it.
Move.
Looking like a monkey. There we go.
Wow. Really? Really?
Yeah, really.
That was hard. That was hard. We loosened it. You act like you've done this before.
In the trunk. Damn, she good.
It's my mechanic wife right here.
There we go.
Nice.
Lift that now.
Go back. Go back. Left.
Left, right. You're good.
Every time I think of your last name, I think of capybara. Because
That's
how I remember your
It's like one of my favorite animals.
I never thought of it like that, but I'm gonna remember it now. I'm gonna be right.
Nolly, this is number 2.
12?
Cool.
I have 12 cylinders. Of Bugatti.
Those.
Shit.
Can you imagine doing a Bugatti?
Ow! My ankle.
Careful, those are sharp. There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, now hold it up to where I can let go. You may have to take that starter. No, you're not.
Hell yeah.
We gotta take that out. Not that fine. Good job. Okay. That's gonna be tight for now.
Okay. On to the
I need
next.
the last 2.
Wait until Nolan gets back and let him tighten that one.
Right? The last one.
This. I was like, what the f? And then I was like, oh, it's our shopping cart. Let's finish spark plugs on this side, and then we'll move over. We'll do spark plugs this side, and then we'll put the coolant back down. Alrighty, here we are. We got car freshly headered. Got the Kooks 2-inch. Got a Nolly. Got a Carter. Got the wifey. Because the last shop that he had touch up on his exhaust, they welded pretty much everything. Where there's supposed to be clamps, they welded. Nolan and Sam and Carter are probably gonna weld that up tomorrow.
The next day.
I think we can get on it just a little bit. Just a little. Oh yeah. Oh, crispy.
That's nasty. That's all I've been waiting for. Just the breathing of the longer rev.
100%. Oh yeah.
Oh my. I need to be careful. I might jizz my pants.
Oh, that sounds.
Oh my gosh, bro. Like, we're chilling, but then you.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
A little bit of supercharger whine too.
But it's perfect. It's not too much.
Not too much, not too little. Overall, this install went as expected for the most part. We didn't realize the whole exhaust was welded, but that's all right. You know, we're here. We worked through it. Shout out to Sam, by the way, Carter's buddy.
Seriously. Clutch.
Pretty much about it. Of course, as y'all know, we're not in our traditional shop. They offered a lift, and we didn't say no. I've worked on the ground enough that I respect it. I'm gonna borrow a lift if I can use it. So shout out to Carter and his dad. We really appreciate it. Amen. Shout out to Nolan for trusting me.
Thank you.
Giving me the honors. Working on another Z. So anyways, the next video, we're gonna cam it.
Or Magnuson.
Oh, shit.
Say in the comments if you want him to get a Magnuson.
We need a certain amount of likes.
How many likes on the video to get a Magnuson on it?
It's a cool 2 mil.
Y'all over here acting like I got Cletus McFarlane following. I ain't got nothing close to
3
that.
likes.
I appreciate my 5 followers that follow me anyway, so y'all know who y'all are. I appreciate y'all. Hell, 3 of them are right here. Yeah. Other than that, all jokes and BS aside, so he's got a beautiful, sweet ride. He's going to be even more in love with it. He loved it before, but he's really going to love it now, especially once he gets tuned up, which shout out to Ryan, by the way, BRC Raceworks. He does all the tuning for my stuff and also LMR, so y'all hit him up if y'all need good quality tuning. And really, that's pretty much about it. I think that's almost a wrap for the video. Do y'all have any final comments with working with me and my wifey?
I thought it was very enjoyable, to be honest.
Okay.
I love y'all's company.
Appreciate that.
It's just one of those moments where we just all hang out.
Well, we appreciate y'all. Appreciate the opportunity. Y'all like, subscribe. Y'all stay blessed. And any final comments, you better say them now.
Go ahead, Carter. I want to hear you say something.
I still gap it.
All right.